Welcome back to AS Motors Zone. Today, we take a detailed look at the Rolls-Royce Starlight Mansion Motorhome concept, a design that blends the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce with the scale and presence of a luxury motorhome. This concept represents the highest level of refinement on wheels, combining architectural beauty, advanced design language, and a commanding road presence. Starting with the exterior, the most striking feature is the long and muscular front nose. Inspired by the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the extended hood carries the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, with the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament standing proudly at the center. This front design instantly communicates prestige and authority. The sculpted front fascia is defined by strong luxury lines and smooth flowing surfaces that give the motorhome both power and grace. Crystal LED headlights frame the front with precision, while glowing gold LED outline strips add a futuristic touch without overwhelming the classic Rolls-Royce identity. The combination of modern lighting and traditional design elements creates a balance between heritage and innovation. Moving inside, the interior continues the same philosophy of elegance and comfort. The driver cockpit is designed in a truck-style layout, but finished with Rolls-Royce luxury materials. The seating position is high and commanding, offering a clear view of the road while maintaining comfort for long journeys. Behind the cockpit, the living space begins with a compact yet luxurious lounge and kitchen area. This section is designed for efficiency without sacrificing comfort. On one side, a premium leather sofa runs along the wall, offering seating for relaxation and conversation. The sofa features elegant stitching and soft cushioning that matches the overall color palette of pearl white, champagne gold, and warm neutral tones. On the opposite side, the kitchen is arranged in a narrow, streamlined layout. It includes a refined countertop, a luxury sink, and sleek storage cabinets built into the wall. The materials used here mirror the exterior theme, with polished finishes and subtle gold accents that maintain consistency throughout the interior. Modern frameless windows line the sidewalls, allowing natural light to brighten the space. Soft LED lighting in the ceiling and wall panels adds warmth and depth, making the lounge and kitchen feel open despite its compact width. Storage is intelligently integrated into the walls and lower cabinets, keeping the interior uncluttered and elegant. Every surface is smooth and refined, reinforcing the identity of the motorhome as a mobile luxury suite. At the rear of the motorhome lies the sleeping area, designed as a narrow yet luxurious private space. The bed is aligned with the width of the motorhome body, creating a focused and restful environment. It is finished with premium upholstery, elegant stitching, and soft textures that reflect Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. The walls surrounding the bed feature smooth, modern panels with subtle design patterns inspired by Rolls-Royce interiors. Frameless windows on the side walls allow light to enter while maintaining privacy. The interior doesn't feel like a house or apartment. It feels like a luxury hotel suite designed specifically for travel. Every surface, light source, and design detail serves a purpose, creating a calm elegance and modern comfort. The Rolls-Royce Starlight Mansion Motorhome concept represents a vision of future luxury travel where scale, comfort, and prestige exist in harmony. Its exterior commands attention with its long, muscular nose, towering height, and royal color scheme. Its interior delivers refined comfort through a sophisticated cockpit, a compact yet elegant lounge and kitchen, and a peaceful rear sleeping area. From the iconic grille and Spirit of Ecstasy at the front to the panoramic windows and palace-like silhouette, every detail contributes to its identity as a moving mansion. This concept shows how the design language of Rolls-Royce can be translated into a new category of ultra-luxury motorhomes. Thank you for watching.
This is my own design concept, and it reflects how future vehicles like this can one day become reality through creativity, innovation, and imagination.